इंटरव्यू चालू है। हाथी वांधो ना આવી જાય ત્યાં આવી જાય। બધાનું ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક વેલ્ડિંગ ટેસ્ટ માંથી લઈ આવ્યા 15 જણાને અને આપણી દુકાન છે ભાઈની ત્યાં જ આ લોકોને અટાણે નોર્મલ અને પ્રેક્ટિકલી કરાવે है પ્રેક્ટિકલ વેલ્ડિંગ।
राइट एंगल टू 15 રણજીત આ બાજુ આવી જાવ।
मतलब मारू काम करे
આ વસ્તુ તમારું ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે।
काम बोलो। हाँ तो આવી જાવ ઓફિસે પોરબંદર કાઠિયાવાડ રાણાવાવમાં પોરબંદર। हाँ 15 लाख रुपया। हाँ
અહીંયા ફોટો છે અહીંયા હોય
એટલે 230
વેલ્ડિંગ નો ટેસ્ટ લેવાને ઇન્ટરવ્યુ નોર્મલ। વેલ્ડર નો પગાર હે બહુ હાઈસ જેટલા અમારા ગયા ને એટલા 3.5 2.5 ને ઉપર વાળા જ છે। 2.5 લાખ ને ઉપર કમાવા 15 જણા હે આ લિસ્ટમાં એનું તૈયારી હાલે છે। ત્યાં ઊંડાવું પડ્યા બધા વેલ્ડિંગમાં આવ્યા ને એના આકોરાય પડ્યા જો અંદર વેલ્ડિંગ કરે મતલબ એ બધા ટ્રેનિંગમાં આવ્યા જોઈએ તો ટ્રેનિંગ સેન્ટર આપણો આવીને જ છે। જો કરે અંદર જો કરે દેખાય જો કરે એને કહેવાય મફત ને મોકલતા। હાલો આપો સાહેબ।
Okay, so what do you know about Israel country? બરાબર 18 એક્ઝામ આપોમાં 10 દિન કે 15 દિવસની વાર લાગશે। મોડા પૂગો તો 15 દિવસ વાંધો નહીં મારા ભાઈ। એટલા વર્ષ કઈ જાય અહીંયા તો 15 દિવસ આમ કે આમ 6 મહિના કાઢ નાખ્યા ભાઈ। 6 મહિના 8 મહિના વર્ષ દી એટલા વર્ષ કાઢ નાખ્યા તો હું મહિનો દી કે 15 દી નહીં નીકળ્યા આપણાથી પ્રોપર તૈયારી કરી મહિના દિવસના પછી એક્ઝામ આપો। કોઈ ઉતામળ કરો મજા આવવાની એના કરતા શીખવો એકદમ તૈયાર થાવ ને પહેલા જ ઇન્ટરવ્યુમાં ક્રેક કરી નાખો। શીખો એક શીખો। Okay, first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Bapodra Ranjit Natha. I am from India. I am 30 years old. My qualification is 9 pass.
Okay, and tell me something about your family.
We are 5 family members in my family. My mother, my sister, my wife, my son and me.
Okay, and if you have any relatives or friends lives in Israel?
No, sir.
Okay, and do you have any allergy?
No, sir. No any allergy.
Okay, do you have any disease like asthma and breathing problem and anything else?
No, sir. No any disease. I am physically fit.
Okay, and what do you know about Israel country?
Israel is beautiful country. Israel is holy land. Israel currency is New Israeli Shekel, Israeli Holy Book is Torah, Israeli official language is Hebrew.
Okay, you have lots of knowledge of Israel country. So, are you visit an Israel country in your past?
No sir, no visit. I am a social media person, so YouTube, Google search and Facebook. So,
Okay, so you know about Israel country. Okay, and do you have any experience?
sir, I have a 3-year experience in general worker in Arium engineering workers.
Okay, you have 3 years experience in general work. Okay, what did you do work in general work and duty in your company?
Sir, I am a general worker, so I do all work in my company. In my work, machine repairing, machine maintenance, and goods loading in truck, goods unloading in truck, raw material one place to another place, and sometimes product shipped to storage room. And I am always follow my supervisory order, and I am always follow my company rules and regulations.
Okay, that's good. And what's your company name?
My company name is Arium Engineering Workers.
Okay, and can you drive forklift machine?
Sir, I know drive forklift machine because I have no license, but I am all information forklift machine.
Okay, because you have no license, so you can't drive a forklift machine. You know about that, what is a forklift machine, but you can't drive in your company. Okay, okay. And what's your company name?
My company name is Arium Engineering Workers.
Where is it located?
My company located at Kutiana, District Porbandar, State Gujarat.
Okay, and do you have any friends or relatives who lives in Israel?
No, sir.
Okay, what's your passport number?
My passport number is B7912370.
And what's your passport expired date?
My passport expiry date is 27 December 2033.
Okay, and why do you choose Israel for work?
Sir, Israel is beautiful country, safe for workers. I earn a good salary for my family, better future. There is 2 reasons. First reason is India weather and Israel weather like same, so I easily survive there. And second reason is Israel government also support local peoples and foreign workers. So I strongly believe Israel government.
Okay, nice, very good. Okay, now your result time. Okay. Voting.
પાસ જ છે પૂરો બધા કોઈને
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you.
એનું નામ લખી જ નાખજો.
ઉતામળ ન કરતા આજે તમારો વાર ન થાય તો કાલે પરમ દિવસ ઓલે દિવસે 2 કે 4 દિવસની વાર લાગશે મારા ભાઈ. પણ 4 દિવસમાં કંઈ 5 દિવસમાં કંઈ મોડું નહીં થઈ જાય કે કંઈ વહેલું નહીં થઈ જાય. પણ એના કરતાં એક ફેર પ્રોપર થઈ યા. Okay, first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Myself, Karavadra Ramde Raja, from Nerang District, Porbandar, State Gujarat, India. I am 30-year-old and my education is I complete my graduation in BCA from Saurashtra University. And I have 3 years of work experience in Sonar Krupa Construction as a general worker and machine operator.
Okay, you have 3 years experience in a general worker, and how many experience you have machine operator? Do you have
1 year, sir.
1 year? Okay, and what did you do work in a general worker duty?
As a general worker, my duty is loading truck, shifting building material from one place to another place, and I sometimes operate a forklift machine because my passion and eager to learn how to operate machine.
Okay, and do you have license?
Yes, sir, I have 8-year-old.
Okay, yeah, 8 years old license you have. Okay, and what do you know about Israel country?
Israel is a country on eastern shore of Mediterranean Sea, and Israel is a country with major Hebrew language, and Israel's capital is Jerusalem, and the population of Israel is around 97 million.
Yeah. You have a machine operator experience you have, okay? 1 year, okay? Okay, so tell me something about your machine.
My machine, generally I operate forklift machine, And as a forklift machine, my duty is loading, unloading trucks, shifting materials that not possible by humans.
Yeah.
Heavy objects like box, iron joints, and bricks, cement, etc.
Okay. And how much you weigh to lift in forklift machine? You
There are many types of forklift, but I operated forklift has capacity of 1,500 kg to 5,000 kg.
okay? That's good. And what's your company name?
Sonal Krupa Construction.
Okay. And where is it located?
It is located at Chhatrava, district Porbandar, Gujarat, India.
Okay. And if you have any relatives or friends to live in Israel?
No, anyone, no.
Okay.
कहाँ से बोल रहे हो?
फ्रॉम
Thank you.
मुंबई
हम मुंबई।
या
ओके, क्या काम जानते हो?
एक्सपीरियंस मेरा इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से बीटेक हुआ है मेरा और
जी,
मेरा
जी।
ओवरसीज का एक्सपीरियंस भी है मालदीव्स का।
ओके, आपके पास पासपोर्ट पीसीसी है?
हाँ पासपोर्ट है, पीसीसी बस बनवाना पड़ेगा।
इजराइल का पीसीसी है?
What's your name?
इजराइल का पीसीसी नहीं है।
ओके, तो निकाल के फोन करो। हाँ?
नहीं बट पीसीसी निकालने के लिए मुझे आपकी कंपनी का ये एड्रेस
नहीं
डालना पड़ता है ना वहाँ पे।
नहीं, इजराइल वर्क वीजा बोल देना उसको।
Yourself.
उनको क्या बोल रहे हैं?
उसको बोलो इजराइल वर्क वीजा का पीसीसी निकालना है, निकल जाएगी।
Nilesh Bhai, Sagan Bhai. I am from India. I am 39 years old. My qualification is Air Pass.
नो, मैं नहीं मांगता।
My hobby is cricket.
हमने लगभग
Okay.
25,000
And do you have any
गुजरात
experience?
में से 37,000
Yes, sir.
पीसीसी निकला है।
I have a 3 years experience in dermatitis.
जी,
Okay. And very.
जो एक्सपीरियंस लेटर बोलते हैं कि एक्सपीरियंस लेटर लेके आओ, तो ज़्यादातर लोग बोलते हैं कहाँ से निकालेंगे, कैसे निकालेंगे, एक्सपीरियंस लेटर मतलब क्या। दूसरे लोग बोलते हैं कि रिज्यूम मतलब क्या। तो रिज्यूम मतलब जो आपकी ज़िंदगी का बायोडाटा है, आपका नाम है, पूरा एड्रेस है, आपने जो